Kia ora koutou, ko Sarah Hines Tuku Ingoa, one of the directors here at the Education Group. I wanted to talk to you today about leading change, because for as long as education continues to be considered a political football, the only thing constant that we can expect in our schools is change. So we as leaders, we have a responsibility for learning how to support our teachers, our staff, to ride the waves of change. We want to turn confusion into clarity. We want to go from resistance to impact. And in order to do that, we need to understand psychological barriers to change, and we need to know how to employ change frameworks to best support that change. So join us for our Leading Change workshop, From Resistance to Impact. Look forward to seeing you then. Ka kite.